Welcome to AI Science Guruji. Today we will learn about the female reproductive system.
Every single month, an amazing biological journey unfolds, one that has two very different destinations. Today, we're diving into the incredible female reproductive cycle. It's a story all about preparation, timing, and really, the fundamental drive of life itself. Let's get right into it.
So what is this journey all about? Well, it's a masterpiece of biological engineering, kind of like a perfectly timed dance of hormones and cells. You see, every month, the body gets everything ready for a potential new life. We're going to follow this whole journey right from the very beginning.
To really get what's happening, we first need to meet the key players in this whole process. So let's get to know the organs that make this entire cycle possible. And it all starts right here, in the ovaries. Think of these as the gatekeepers of potential. Their whole job is to produce and, once a month, release a single egg that's about to go on this incredible trip. Okay, so once that egg is released, it starts its voyage down a narrow channel called the oviduct. You might also know it as the fallopian tube. But this isn't just a simple hallway. It's the place where the most important event of all could happen, fertilization.
And here we have the final destination, the uterus. It's an unbelievably elastic, muscular organ. I mean, it's perfectly designed to stretch and expand, making it a safe and nurturing home for a developing embryo.
So, we've met the main characters, but the body doesn't just sit around and wait. Nope, it's a serious planner. Let's take a look at the careful preparations it makes every single month for a potential pregnancy. This moment right here is called ovulation. You can think of it like the starting pistol for the monthly race. A single egg is released, and its journey officially kicks off as it enters the oviduct. Now, while the egg is on its way, the uterus is busy getting a major makeover. Its lining thickens up and becomes all soft and spongy, creating this lush, nutrient-packed environment. It's basically like getting a cozy room ready for a very important guest. But what happens if that really important guest, the fertilized egg, is a no-show? Well, that leads us down the first of two possible paths, menstruation. You know, the window of opportunity here is super short. If an egg isn't fertilized, it only stays viable for about 24 hours. That's it, just one day. It really shows you how precise the timing has to be for conception to happen. So if a fertilized egg never shows up to implant, the body's like, okay, this fancy, nutrient-rich lining we built, we don't need it anymore. And with amazing efficiency, the system starts a total reset, breaking down that lining so the whole cycle can start over. And this whole reset process? Yep, that's menstruation. It's the physical result of this unfertilized path, a totally natural and necessary reset that gets the body ready to try again next month. But what if the egg isn't alone on its journey? Let's check out the second path, the one that happens if sperm are in the picture. This is the path of fertilization. Hey, remember the oviduct? Well, this is where that huge moment happens. If sperm have made their way into the reproductive tract, they can travel all the way up to that tube and meet the egg. The fusion of these two cells, that is the moment of fertilization. The second that egg is fertilized, it gets a new name, a zygote, and it wastes zero time. It starts dividing almost instantly, going from just one cell to a whole cluster of cells that we call an embryo. So even while it's dividing, the embryo keeps moving toward the uterus. It's heading straight for that welcoming, spongy lining we talked about. In a super important step called implantation, the embryo attaches and burrows into the uterine wall. The guest has finally checked in. With implantation all done, the journey enters a brand new, extraordinary phase. The embryo kicks off a period of super fast growth, setting the stage for its transformation into a fetus. So how does this growing embryo get all the fuel it needs? It's all thanks to an incredible organ called the placenta. It actually develops just for this purpose, acting as a vital bridge, a lifeline really, between the mother and the embryo. The placenta is basically the ultimate biological exchange system. Its whole structure is designed to create a massive surface area to efficiently pass oxygen, glucose, and all sorts of other nutrients from the mother's blood. And it works both ways. It also removes waste products from the embryo so the mother's body can get rid of them. Pretty amazing, right? This whole incredible process, from a single fertilized cell to a fully formed baby, takes about 9 months to unfold. It's a period of just breathtakingly complex growth and change. And the grand finale of this 9-month journey is, of course, childbirth. It's kicked off by powerful rhythmic contractions of the exact same uterine muscles that have been protecting and nurturing the baby this whole time. So let's just pull it all together for a second. We've got one system and one monthly preparation, but it leads to two completely different outcomes. On one path, no fertilization means menstruation, and the cycle resets. On the other path, fertilization leads to implantation, gestation, and the development of a new life.
And that's really what the female reproductive cycle is all about, a constant, elegant rhythm of endings and new beginnings. Whether the outcome is menstruation or pregnancy, the system is always in a state of preparation, always ready for the incredible potential of new life. It's a powerful reminder of how persistent and resilient life truly is.